Welcome back. Glorious sunny day today. In fact, at times it's felt too hot and we've popped back indoors, which is a bit sad because we've just spent about a fortnight sat indoors waiting for the rain to finish. But anyway, it's rather nice. Not a lot's been going on really. I'm still waiting for parts for the Range Rover, and the chilies are doing really well. The ones in the auto pots are doing phenomenally well. We've cleared the fence up the back. Neighbour complained a little bit, but we did it for other reasons. We like the French have got something in their heads about bloody snakes. Well, I've been here 8 years and never seen a snake at all in the garden. We've got 2 dogs running around, which will scare anything off. Anyway, she was complaining that she's got snakes in a compost bin. Well, so I said to Tina, snakes are in her garden, not ours. But anyway, so we've cut all that down up the back. But the main reason was because it looks nice when we're trying to sell the house. So, yeah, basically, Tina has been on the tools today. So I shall leave you with a clip or two of Tina on the tools. So there you go. Thank you very much, Tina. We're in a bit of limbo at the moment because obviously we're waiting for the new house, and don't really want to get too involved with doing stuff on this house. Obviously we've got to keep up to date, you know, keep up with all the cutting the grass and keeping the garden under control, and obviously housework and stuff like that. But we're just itching to get the new place and make a start on that. There will be quite a lot of videos coming when we do get the place. When we signed, she said we should have the keys on July the 8th. And I emailed her the other day and she said it was going through, but there was a slight, a little delay. So we'll keep you posted on that as to when we get the house. But July the 8th, hopefully get it before August, because you might as well just not bother in France when it gets to August, because half the workforce goes on holiday for 2 weeks. While that lot are away, the other lot working can't be asked to do their work. They just say, oh, I'll leave it till he gets back, sort of thing. And then the second half of August, that lot go on holiday and the other lot come back and they do the same. He can do that when he gets back, sort of thing. So no work gets done for a month. So hopefully we get the house before August. That'll be very nice. So as I say, there'll be plenty of videos coming. One of the house renovations, the land, clearing the land and get it farmable. Farmable, yeah. There's the garage, which I'm going to have as a workshop, so there's going to be that, where we're going to concrete the floor, have it all kitted out as a real nice workshop, electric in it and everything, and we'll have running water in there so I can wash my hands before I leave the workshop to go back to the house, which will be nice. Yeah, that'll be about it. So yeah, we'll keep you up to date with what's going on. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.